Okay, right triangle trigonometry. This is our primary trigonometric ratios. Read as sine theta, cosine theta, and tangent theta. This is our primary. Then this is a secondary trigonometric ratios. Read as cosecant theta, secant theta, and cotangent theta. Study tip: a mnemonic device for remembering the definition of primary. So primary lang. Primary trigonometric ratios is SOHCAHTOA. Means so, S, O, at saka H, sine theta is equals to opposite over hypotenuse. Yung ka naman, C, A, H, cos theta is equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. Yung TOA is T, O, A is equals to tan theta is equals to opposite over adjacent. Okay, let's try. Ito yung theta natin. Ito yung angle. Hinahanap natin. Hanapin natin yung primary trigonometric ratios first. Okay, sine theta is equals to opposite over hypotenuse. Dahil ito yung angle natin. This is our opposite. And this is our hypotenuse. Next, cosine theta. This is our angle, theta. This is our adjacent. And this is our hypotenuse. Next, tangent theta. This is our angle, theta, opposite. And this is our adjacent. Next, cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is reciprocal of sine theta. Kabaliktaran lang po siya. So, cosecant, binaliktad lang natin yung opposite over hypotenuse. Naging hypotenuse over opposite. Yan, binaliktad lang po natin. Ganun din yung secant theta, kabaliktaran lang po siya ng cosine theta. Binaliktad lang po natin. Hypotenuse over adjacent. Sa cotangent, ganun din. Kabaliktaran lang po siya ng tangent theta. Okay. Example. Para mahanap natin yung value ng 6 trigonometric ratios, kailangan muna natin alamin yung value ng C. Alamin natin yung value ng C. Para malaman yan, we have to use the Pythagorean theorem. C squared is equals to A squared plus B squared. Now, gawin natin tong 3 as A. At yung 4 is B. Pwede rin naman pagbaliktaran yan. Pwede rin yung 4 is A, yung 3 is B. Pero ganyan na lang muna. So, C squared is equals to, A natin is 3 squared plus 4 squared. Now, simplify pa natin. C squared is equals to 3 times 3, 9 plus 4 times 4, 16. So, C squared is equals to 25. Dahil naka squared pa yung C, kailangan natin siyang square root both side. So, makakancel ang square root tsaka squared. Then, C is equals to square root of 25 is 5. So, ang value ng C natin is 5. Now, hanapin natin yung sin theta. Sin theta, ito yung theta natin, opposite over hypotenuse. So, what is the answer? Okay, 4/5. Yung cosine theta. Cosine theta is equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. So, yung adjacent natin. Ito yung theta. Adjacent is 3. Hypotenuse is 5. So, 3 over 5. Then, yung tan theta is TOA, opposite over adjacent. Ang opposite natin, ito yung theta. Opposite natin is 4. Adjacent is 3. So, 4 over 3. Dahil yung cosecant theta is kabaliktaran lang ng sin theta, dahil nandito yung theta natin, babaliktarin lang natin tong 4/5. Cosecant theta is equals to what? 5 over 4. Dahil ganun din sa secant theta, dahil nandito yung angle natin, yung theta, babaliktarin lang natin yung 3/5. So, secant theta is equals to 5 over 3. Yung tan theta, ang reciprocal niya is cotangent theta, dahil ito yung theta natin, yung angle. Pabaliktarin lang po natin yan para makuha yung cotangent. Cotangent theta is equals to 3 over 4. Now, try to answer this trigonometric ratio. Find first the value of C. Find first the value of C. Then, find the 6 trigonometric ratios. Pause the video and try to solve. Okay. So, we have to find the value of C. So, C squared, gawin muna natin itong 12 is A, 5 is B, pwede rin baliktad dyan. C squared is equals to A squared plus B squared. So, C squared is equals to 12 squared plus 5 squared. C squared is equals to 144 kasi 12 times 12 is 144. Then 5 times 5 is 25. Now, pag pinagad natin yan, C squared is equals to 169. Kasi 144 plus 25 is 169. So, square root of, kailangan natin square root both side para matanggal yung squared. So, square root both side, maka-cancel to. C is equals to what? Square root of 169 is 13. Now, nalaman na natin yung value ng C. Pwede na natin palitan yung C ng 13. Okay. So, sin theta, dahil ito yung theta natin, angle, opposite over hypotenuse. Then, 5 over 13. Yung cosine theta, adjacent over hypotenuse. Asan ang adjacent dyan? Okay, 12. Kasi ito yung theta natin. Ito yung adjacent niya. Yung hypotenuse is 13. So, 12 over 13. Now, tan theta. Ito yung tangent theta. Ano natin, angle? Tangent theta is opposite over adjacent. So, 5 over 12. Dahil dito pa rin naman yung theta natin, parehas lang, reciprocal lang ng sin theta is cosecant, babalik rin lang po natin to. Balik rin lang po natin ito. Okay. Balik rin lang natin to. Equals to what? 13 over 5. Dahil kabaliktaran ng cosine theta is secant theta, ang reciprocal po ng cosine theta is secant theta. So, dahil parehas din naman yung angle natin, yung theta, babalik rin lang po natin yan. 13 over 12. So, sa tangent, ang reciprocal niya is cotangent. Babalik rin lang po natin to. The answer is, dahil dito pa rin yung theta, 12 over 5. Okay. Thank you.